Now, as we think about color, I took the liberty to fill in the colors that we see in the image. So first of all, I filled in the blue for the sky, but there are multiple blues rather than just one because the sky is layered and there are times when some of the blue is going to appear darker and richer and some is going to appear lighter, specifically as it goes down meeting the line of horizon where you see the lighter, more purplish, bluish line of trees at the bottom. The bottom portion you'll see is made up of mostly greens. What I've done with the green is to start a layer of one green, particularly the lightest green. And once you have the layer of that with the grass, then you go in and you use darker greens to give that contrast. You also use browns to also highlight the contrast in those areas. And in terms of the lighter greens, I've added yellow because there is a hint of yellow on top of or with the green. So a yellow green that comes out similar to what happened right at the line of horizon before. Another element that decided to do a little bit differently, instead of painting the branches completely black, we decided to make them green. From one angle and from the image of the photograph, they seem to be a darker green, excuse me. And sometimes there are areas where it feels black. So I did start with the moss using this black colored pencil. But it's up to you. You can layer those colors. Why don't you start choosing the colors that you want to use to make your landscape? And then we'll continue layering. Take some time to do that. And then we'll go to the next step. Your painting will look something like this before you manipulate the watercolor pencils.